Imagine a world where everything is identical to our own, yet eerily different. A world where the choices we made yesterday, the decisions we took a decade ago, and the outcomes we've yet to see all exist in a parallel reality. Welcome to the realm of parallel universes, a concept that has fascinated scientists and philosophers centuries. In this article, we'll delve into the mysteries of the multiverse, exploring the theories, possibilities, and implications of living in a world where multiple realities coexist. The concept of parallel universes. The idea of parallel universes suggests that for every decision, every event, and every outcome in our universe, there exists a corresponding universe where the opposite occurred. This concept is often referred to as the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. In this theory, every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple branches, each representing a different possible outcome. This creates an infinite number of parallel universes, each with their own unique version of history. Theories and hypotheses. Several theories have been proposed to explain the existence of parallel universes. One of the most popular is the concept of the multiverse, which suggests that our universe is just one of many bubbles in a cosmic sea. Each bubble represents a separate universe, each with its own unique laws of physics and properties. Another theory is the inflationary multiverse, which proposes that our universe is just one of many universes that arose from a rapid expansion of space-time in the early universe. Evidence and observations. While there is no direct empirical evidence for the existence of parallel universes, there are some intriguing observations that suggest their possibility. For example, the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where two particles become connected and can affect each other, even when separated by vast distances, has been observed in laboratory experiments. This phenomenon is often cited as evidence for the existence of parallel universes, as it suggests that information can be transmitted between different branches. Implications and speculations. If parallel universes exist, what would be the implications for our understanding of reality? One possibility is that every decision we make creates a new universe, each with its own version of history. This raises questions about the concept of free will and the nature of reality. Another possibility is that parallel universes could provide a way to communicate with other versions of ourselves, potentially allowing us to learn from our mistakes and gain new insights. The concept of parallel universes is a mind-bending idea that challenges our understanding of reality. While there is no direct evidence for their existence, the theories and hypotheses proposed by scientists and philosophers offer a glimpse into the possibilities of the multiverse. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, the idea of parallel universes remains a fascinating and intriguing concept that inspires our imagination and sparks our curiosity. Maybe in a parallel universe, you're reading this article right now, and everything is just a little bit different. Everett H. A. Einderunterbeat. Relative state formulation of quantum mechanics. Reviews of modern physics, Druti Noingun. Albir Satib Dallecharkichir. DeWitt B. Quantum mechanics and reality. Physics today, Toi Tirimantan Disanti Pai Pai. Suskind L. Tum Izit Kempu. The cosmic landscape, string theory, and the illusion of intelligent design. Little Brown and Company. Note: this article is a general overview of the concept of parallel universes and is not a scientific paper. The references provided are a selection of notable works on the subject and are not exhaustive.